So in this investing tutorial, I will be showing you how to buy stocks in Canada using Wealthsimple. So once Wealthsimple is opened up, go to the bottom bar and select the magnifying glass. Once you're here in the top, go ahead and select search. Now you can either search up a stock of your choice. So for example, if you wanted to buy Apple stock, I will type in ticker symbol AAPL. Then you can find the stock this way, or if you just want to search stocks, go to the search bar right here, go to all categories, select the category that your stock may be in. So in this case, if I were to go to banking right here, I can view a bunch of different banking stocks. And once you guys have this selected, I'll just go Canadian, for example, and I will use TD Bank. Once your stock is selected, I want you to go to the bottom here and select an account. So in my case, I have an FHSA, TFSA, or non-registered account. I will just use my TFSA as an example, and then I will press buy. Once you're here, go to the top right to select what order type. So I will just be using market for this example, but you can use any of the following. Once that is done, you can either select, if you have fractional shares selected, how much money you want to buy of the stock or how many shares. So for example, if I wanted to buy $1 worth, it'll show how much shares there. And if this looks good to you, press on review. Then on this page right here, you can go ahead and review the order type. So you can see the order type, the account, the quantity, and the cost. And if this looks good to you, go to the bottom and press the black button, which will then allow you to buy the stock this way here in Canada. So pretty simple, but that is how to buy stocks in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.